MC Heli, lap 1, 18.58 seconds. Fix FPV, lap 1, 22.33 seconds. MC Heli, lap 2, 12.64 seconds. MC Heli, lap 3, 12.46 seconds. Fix FPV, lap 2, 21.35 seconds. Four minutes to go. Aura, lap 1, 60.18 seconds. Fix FPV, lap 3, 20.40 seconds. Fix FPV, lap 4, 17.89 seconds. MC Heli, lap 4, 38.56 seconds. Auroch, lap 2, 30.81 seconds. Auroch, lap 3, 17.41 seconds. Three minutes to go. Auroch, lap 4, 14.94 seconds.
I think the girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. I think the girls with their nails done. Girls with their
2 minutes to go. Race finished.